I have a problem. Okay, can I get the shadow in here? This parker light is not working, and this one is. The frustrating thing about this one is that I've only just replaced the globe. So I don't really know what is going on with that. Luckily I bought a 2-pack of globes, so I'm gonna have to get in there again today and change it. Maybe I just got a dodgy globe, or maybe there's something else going on. Now, the indicator still works. It's just the little running light part of the globe. It's the second time. It's only been about a week, maybe 2 rides, and it's blown again. So we're gonna have to put a new globe in and see how long it lasts this time. All right, so the process of getting this off is really simple. It is just one screw back here. And then this just pulls out. There's a little tab in here, and I like to just drop the screw in there to keep it safe. Now, these globes are an absolute bear to get in and out. Well, getting out's easy. It doesn't visibly look bad. It looks identical to the one I'm about to replace it with. So the only thing to do here is to put in a new globe. Now I have a core memory of being told, don't touch the glass of a halogen globe. Did that go in first try? Unbelievable. I do not know if that's an accurate thing, but now we have our parker light back. Okay, I still don't understand why this one blew. The wire in the top here still looks to be intact. Now, looking closely, this is not going to focus on here, but it's blown right at the edge of the coil there. All right, so I'm probably going to have to go out and buy a spare globe or another spare pack just to keep in my bag. So this tab, slide that in first. Come on now. This is what happens when I try to be careful of where the camera's pointing. I can't see what I'm doing properly. And then we just run the screw in at the back there. One more time for luck. Now, that is an easy job to do, but I'm going to get frustrated if I have to buy a new pack of globes every time I want to go for a ride. But that's one of those simple maintenance things that not everyone's going to know off the top of their heads, how easy it is to get to the globes. So yeah, I thought I'd just put the camera on and we'd manage that, see how we go. And it's usually about this point that I've done all this and I find out that the camera's not recording. I'm sure that's not the case. No, we're still recording. Yeah, I might keep that one short and sweet, I think, and I'll do what else I have to do on this bike as a separate video.